Come on, legs. Come on, legs. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, we're here. Okay. Man. Oh my god, my feet are cold. And then I was like, hey, what are you? What the heck are you to tell me what to do? When I was like, when I didn't used to be like the last dodo around. Yeah, that's funny. Oh my god, it's cold. Is there a fireplace? Oh, hey, Red, you're back. Welcome back to the house. When did you figure out my name? We just figured it out, so, yeah. Because the DarkWatcher said your name was Red? Yeah. And you guys are? Rainbow. My name's Aaron. And we named the little guy Giant. Well, we didn't name him, but it was that weird sparrow that knocked you out earlier. How do you know that? Oh, you didn't tell us? Oh, yeah, I did tell you. Dang, why did... Okay, yeah, I'm making a fish soup right now. Okay. Okay. Yeah, but I'm sorry I was taking long to, like, get the fish. Yeah, it's fine. Just take a time. I'm making a new soup instead of berry soup. Ooh, like what? Fish soup. Okay. Where'd it go? Rainbow, did you drink them all? Sorry, they just look like soda. Oh my god. Seriously, what did we say about that? Sorry. Okay, yeah, I need this. Okay. Let's pour this in. Oh, ow. Oh my god, this is one lucky glass. Hold on. Okay, let's put berries in. Okay. Did you put it in? Yeah, I did. You always add berries to your soups. Why? I don't know, I just like them. Okay, I'm gonna turn this guy off. Or on. Alright. I'm gonna get something for Giant. Yeah, I'm just gonna get something. Okay, so I didn't read about elephant birds, but I'm kind of thinking they are omnivores. So, yeah. Wait, why is this light not on? Elephant, bird, or giant, I mean, where are you? Oh my goodness. Well, I'm gonna leave it for him then. Alright, I gotta be quick. Soup's gonna burn. Alright guys, I'm back. Why are you guys staring at the window? Giant is so huge. What? Oh my god. How did he grow so fast? I don't know. That's what I was wondering. Well, anyway, the soup should... Yeah, the soup is done. Okay. I was thinking, he's an omnivore, so, yeah. I just left an apple in the chicken coop. And the light was on? No, it was off, strangely. Okay. Alright guys, let's dig in. How many bones have we left on the table? I don't know. Okay, I've just been feeding on a lot of fish, okay? Alright, let's dig in. Wait. Hold on, I'll eat this. I'm not hungry, so you can eat the rest. Okay, okay. Did you already eat? Yeah. Giant already gave us that. Well, we actually knew he was already grown up. Do you see that? See what? Oh, great. Let me guess. It's an OO. Really? Yeah. Oh, cool. Maybe she wants to come inside. Maybe she's cold. Guys, watch out. There's 4 darts. Oh my. Where are we? Guys, wake up. I was throwing up something. Like what? Craziness. Seriously, that's the best thing you can come up with? Rainbow? Yeah. What? What's wrong with it? Oh my goodness gracious. Oh no. What's that? Oh, again. Wait. Is she knocked out? Is that a Great Auk? Yeah, I see that too. Took me a long time to fight that thing. Who are you? Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Colorful. That's blood. You don't notice. Wait, Colorful. That's your name? Yeah. Wait, you can't tell? Yeah, you'll see it in the sunlight soon. Come on, follow me. I'll get you guys out of here. Whoa, how did you teleport us here? Oh, I don't know. Magical gem? Oh, I forgot to pay my ass here. Okay, wait, what is this pretty place? I like the tree and everything. Where's the leaves? Oh, these are called element trees. I don't know what the water tree means, but probably means calmness and unworrying or something like that. I don't really know. But yeah. And I have my buddy. And I also have my buddy, WaterDasher. Who is he? Oh, yeah. I forgot to explain it to you. He's my friend. He's a Confuciusornis. I don't know how you pronounce his dinosaur name or whatever. But he'll be back soon. He just went to the jungle for seeing mystical. This is the meat I need to make the death potion so I can end DarkWatcher. And then hold on, I'm missing some ingredients. Hold on. Okay, where is that? Where's the death apple? There it is. Okay, alright. I need you, and get in there, yeet, in there. No, I don't know what that means. Days are passing, I'm still old. I don't have that much time to live. I'm an old witch, or mystical witch, whatever. Oh God. Oh wait, nah, I'm stupid. It's over here. Yeah, I'm coming. Here we go again. Come on, you vulture, I can wait all day. Oh, look who it is. WaterDasher. Yeah, it's me again. By the way, I heard, in case when everyone comes in, I got you a phone. Thank you. I need that. Just leave it on the floor. I'll pick it up. And close the door, please. You're welcome. We need to end DarkWatcher. I know. And that's why I'm creating a potion to defeat him once and for all. It's called the Death Potion. Once he drinks it, he should be dead. Sounds like a plan. We're gonna need lots of help, you know. Alright. I'll get some help. Well, I can try to see if Colorful brought any help. Now that is a good idea. You should do that right now. I will. Well, thanks for showing me. That's all I want to talk about. Okay. Bye. Well. Welcome back, blood. So, the four extinct birds. I did, Master. But then, that Great Auk you brought back to life has lied to me that she was going to team up. What? Yes. And it looks like my quest isn't complete yet. I still need time. And you do. But you're going to need a lot of backup. I can't wait to see all birds die when I have an army. Me too.